Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best electric scooter review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. K11 Black Folding Electric Scooter. The K11 Folding Electric Scooter is built for riders who need power, comfort, and practicality in every ride. Equipped with a 500-watt motor and a peak output of 650 watts. This scooter reaches speeds up to 22 miles per hour, paired with a 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery. The K11 offers a riding range between 24 and 35 m on a single charge. The 14 inches pneumatic anti-slip tires provide excellent grip and adaptability across different terrains, combined with full suspension front, rear, and under the seat. This scooter ensures a smooth and stable experience even on bumpy roads. Comfort is a top priority. The adjustable seat suits riders from 4 feet 9 inches into 5 feet 9 inches in tall. A wide 9.5 in non-slip deck offers ample foot space and is even pet-friendly. The covered rear basket holds up to 40 pounds, making it easy to carry groceries, bags, or supplies without spills for safety. The K11 features dual disc brakes, high brightness front and rear lights, and a secure stem lock. The clear LED display provides real-time information, including speed, battery level, mileage, and mode visible even in direct sunlight, weighing just enough for durability. The K11 supports up to 265 pounds and folds easily for transport in a car trunk or storage at home. This electric scooter is UL 272 certified and arrives 90% pre-assembled, ready for your daily commute or weekend adventure. Number 4. Oukitel G 5.0 Electric Scooter. This is the Oukitel G 5.0 Electric Scooter, a serious upgrade from the G 4.0 and built for power, range, and safety. The G 5.0 now features a 350-watt motor up from 200 watts, giving you a top speed of 19 miles per hour. That is a solid jump from the previous 13 miles per hour, perfect for zipping through city streets. Paired with a high-capacity 36-volt 10.5-amp-hour battery, you get an impressive range of up to 21 m on a single charge. Durability, no worries. The 8.5-inch honeycomb solid tires mean no flats ever. They offer strong grip and enhanced shock absorption thanks to their smart hole design, so your ride stays smooth even on rough surfaces. The G 5.0 prioritizes safety. It is equipped with a headlight, tail light, reflective tape, and a dual braking system for confident night riding. It is UL 272 certified, giving you peace of mind. Weighing just 31 pounds, it folds down in only 3 seconds, lightweight, compact, and truly portable, ideal for commutes or weekend getaways. And with a PP control, you can manage everything from speed to battery status directly from your phone. In the box, you will find the G 5.0 electric scooter, a charger, and a manual. If you ever need support, Oukitel promises responsive customer care for riders who want power, range, and portability. Number 3. VS1 VS1 Electric Scooter. The VS1 VS1 Electric Scooter is built for performance, durability, and all-terrain commuting, powered by a 700-watt brushless motor with a peak output of 1,000 watts. It reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, offering both standard and high-performance modes for different riding styles. Equipped with a 48-volt 13-ampere-hour removable battery using 18,650 cells, this electric bike delivers a range of up to 28 m per charge. Charging takes 6 to 8 hours, and the removable design allows flexible charging. Outdoors. The frame is constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, making the scooter lightweight yet durable. It supports a maximum load of 264 pounds, withstanding up to 330 lb depending on road conditions. The foldable design and 66 pounds net weight make it easy to carry and store. A wide 7.9-inch footboard adds comfort, and the scooter supports both standing and sit-stand riding with an optional removable seat. The 10-inch pneumatic off-road tires paired with dual front and rear shock absorbers offer exceptional grip and comfort across various terrains. city streets, gravel, puddles and even snow, road vibration is reduced by up to 80%, ensuring a smoother ride. The LED display provides real-time data including speed, battery level, voltage and ride mode with triple speed modes, 9 miles per hour, 18 miles per hour and 28 miles per hour. This bike adapts to your environment. It is the ultimate electric scooter for urban travel and off-road adventure. Number 2. HXX6 Electric Scooter. The HXX6 Electric Scooter is a compact and powerful solution for short-distance commuting designed for both adults and teenagers. It features a 350-watt front-wheel motor with a peak output of 500 watt reaching a top speed of 25 km per hour. The 36-volt 7.5 ampere-hour removable lithium battery offers a range of up to 27.5 kilometers and fully charges in just 5 hours. Built from lightweight aluminum alloy, this electric bike weighs only 10.5 kilograms and includes a unique triple folding design. The pole, pedal and handlebars fold down in seconds, making it easy to carry, store in a backpack or fit into your car trunk. The 5.5-inch solid tires are puncture-proof, durable and low maintenance with front electronic anti-lock brakes and rear friction brakes. The double braking system ensures responsive stopping. It also includes an energy recovery system to improve efficiency while riding. The multifunctional LED display provides real-time data like speed, battery status, mode and cruise control. 3 speed modes are available: low at 10 km/h, medium at 15 km/h and high at 25 km/h. For added safety, it includes front and brake lights and is UL 2272 certified. The removable battery allows for flexible charging either on or off the scooter with smart app control, ultra-low energy consumption and compact portability. Number 1. GT08 Elite Electric Scooter. The GT08 Elite Electric Scooter delivers unmatched power and off-road performance for serious riders. Equipped with dual brushless motors, each producing 2,800 watt, the scooter reaches a combined peak output of 5,600 watt, pushing top speeds up to 46 miles per hour and conquering slopes up to 50 degrees with ease. Powered by a high-capacity 60-volt 27 ampere-hour lithium battery, it offers a cruising range of up to 40 miles and fully recharges in 6 to 8 hours. The scooter features a detachable seat and foldable frame, offering flexibility for both seated and standing rides and easy storage or transport. Built-in high-brightness headlights, tail lights, turn signals and brake lights enhance visibility and nighttime safety. A multifunctional dashboard displays speed, battery level, riding mode and more in real time. The single and dual drive switch let you alternate between energy saving and full power mode. Designed for rugged terrain, the 11-inch off-road tires provide excellent grip and durability, ensuring control across city streets, mountain trails or rough roads. Dual suspension front double spring and rear hydraulic combined with a dual disc braking system ensures both comfort and safety even on uneven surfaces. The frame supports up to 300 pounds and is made from durable impact-resistant materials. Whether for commuting, adventure, or everyday travel, this electric bike combines power, range, and control, making it a high-performance electric scooter built to handle anything.